Sewer camera inspection at 14 East 14th Street. We're at ABS cleanouts behind the house, between the house and the casita at the moment. I do have some water running in the hall bathroom, sink at the moment. And yeah, we're gonna have some buildup because that cleanout cap on the other side was missing. And it looks like we're all underwater. This is completely underwater, which is not what we want to see. Means that we're probably backing up water somewhere, or the water flow is slowed down somewhere. This cleanout's probably settled a little bit. That's why we're getting all that debris built up in the line too. Not enough flow to push it down the pipe. Check the connections, make sure that the connections are lined up properly. Same with the drain connection there. Here's our water flow. More connections. Another drain connection there. A little bit of water flow. We're still trying to chase that water flow down here. A little bit of ABS glue. Got in.
You're in?
Yep. I'm recording this all so you get the full video.
Got it.
It's recording my audio too, so everything we say will be
Just
replayed. So yeah.
Just be aware.
Yep. So that one cap is missing, and there's quite a bit of sand and debris built up, and it's underwater right here. This whole area for about 5-10 feet under the house. This must have settled some.
Yeah. Ah, okay.
And that white mark that's over halfway up the pipe, that's a high water mark. That's telling me that it does this quite often.
Okay.
That it repeatedly gets high.
May I shut lights off in the bathrooms and stuff, or are you going through the house more? Or?
No, you can shut all the lights off. Just leave that one sink on, please.
Oh, yeah.
In the hall. Other than that, yeah, perfect. Of course. Thanks for asking. And then that'll be the end of it, up by the front, past that guest bathroom, and that'll go up to a roof vent. Yep, straight up. So that's 55 feet from back here. All the connections look fine. ABS pipe coming back. So that high water mark is all the way at the front of the house. That means that it's probably pushing that water back up there and slow drain.
So just okay.
Slowly draining out. Probably not as quickly as it should. Check those connections, make sure they're nice and smooth transition there so nothing gets caught on that.
Right.
That's some ABS glue that just
Yep.
got pushed into the pipe. These pipes, if you keep them clean, Bill, will probably last you the rest of your life.
The rest of my life, for sure.
Even mine, probably. I gotta be careful sometimes how I say that stuff.
Yeah.
Don't mean to offend people.
I get it.
But yeah, they won't break down like cast iron.
Right.
Anything like that. That's another drain connection going up, probably to a toilet. Okay, drop it. Pretty soon
here has sunk down some, you think? Yep. Okay, but we're still maintaining enough of a slope out to the sewer.
We'll see. I mean,
Yeah.
we've got enough to where things are going through. But how fast are they going through?
Yeah, got it.
How much is actually sitting? Because we're going to start completely underwater here pretty quick. It's going to get just blurry because I'm pulling this through all that debris.
How far are we inside the house where that's happening?
Yeah, we're 8 feet from right here now.
Okay, so we're a few feet
6.
inside, a couple feet inside.
Yeah, a couple feet
the
inside,
foundation.
all the way out here. And you'll see in the video when I uploaded that right at the bottom of this cleanout, there's just a ton of stuff. So eggshells, sand, things like that. The eggshells never flush down the drain.
Got it.
They get stuck in these pipes. There's nothing you can do about it.
Yeah.
Worst idea. So let's see if we can get that back clean out. This is going to be a challenge. Alright, so now we're going towards the casita. This is about the most ridiculous clean out I've ever been around. Now it popped in the pipe. It should be easier though. We should be okay. We should be alright now. Once it gets down in there, it's easier to push. You know, we're out of water already. We're just a few feet down the drain line.
Okay.
So just a compression, right belly in that little area right there.
Yeah.
More of a belly starting right there. You see the water starting to pick up. Yeah, when we're underwater, we can't see anything.
Right.
Little bellies there. Most of the time, people don't fix bellies if they're under the house. If they're exposed in the yard, that's another case. It's a little cheaper though.
In this case here, it is exposed, so it wouldn't be so hard to fix this one.
Yeah, these cleanouts are in an okay spot. I just don't think the bush should be right there. But it's a good way to conceal. Still got a little bit of water flow, so it's still moving back here, but it has to go through those two bellies, so we're losing a lot of the
momentum.
Yes, sir. I took a class on power washing. He goes, there's a difference between flow and pressure.
Right.
They're two big things.
Yeah.
Little critter on the pipe there.
Yep.
Looks like a mosquito or something. So now we're at 40 feet. I'm tentatively looking for other drain connections on the top of the pipe.
Yeah.
Possibly that clean out the driveway and back into the garage too. Although if we're underwater, we're not going to see much. That's another decent sized belly there. That's your clean out.
That's a clean out.
Yep.
Yeah.
That'll go both
7
ways.
feet, that makes about right.
Yep. So
Okay.
good. Then we don't have to pull the caps out.
Yeah.
It's good that you have them just in case a plumber needs to get
Oh,
in
for
there.
sure. Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, that's
Yeah.
good. We'll keep pushing out to the city. Let's see that city connection. I'm glad your clean outs have settled in the back, in the
Yeah.
concrete. That would be more expensive to
Yeah.
get access to. There's your
There's.
a little bit of clay pipe there. That's not a city connection yet.
Huh.
Oh, this is still, I believe, your property. A little bit of roots coming in. Clay pipe is terrible with roots.
Yep.
A little bit more roots.
Yep.
I just stopped here for a second. I'll take a screenshot, put it in your report.
Sure.
Connection looks okay. Almost looks separated, doesn't it?
Huh.
Usually on those separations, you'll see cockroach legs sticking out of them.
Yeah.
Cockroaches love those cracks.
Yep.
So that's definitely offset right there. That's a good offset pipe. And that's right at the city connection.
Yep.
So, yep. You got the city connection right there is a little bit offset. City probably won't do anything about it. You've got one 45-degree elbow there. Section of clay pipe.
And that would all be in the canal.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. So you got the 3 sections of clay pipe.
Yeah.
And that definitely gapped up at the top.
Yeah.
I can get there. Yeah. Yeah. Right up there's cockroaches love those little holes in the clay pipe.
Yeah.
It's funny, sometimes it's really gross. You go down there and you see hundreds of these things
Yeah.
lying in the walls. Yep. I haven't saw any problems with ABS other than some settlement. Those bellies.
Yeah. Excellent. So how much do you think those bellies restrict clean flow?
Well, we didn't. Let me turn the water off. Maybe that'll bring the level down a little bit.
Okay.
We'll get a little better look at it.
Okay.
I'll wait as we head back. Quite often people ask me to turn the water off so I can do a sewer cam so they can see more, and I'm like, well, you got to do it one way with water, one way without, because with water you'll be able to see the belly. Without the water you'll never see a belly. There we go, we're starting to get a little bit into that again. 36 feet. About 40. 38. 36. About a 10-foot section in there where it's kind of low.
Mm-hmm.
Is that mosquito?
Yeah.
Jesus.
It's amazing.
Only found one rat in a sewer pipe before. That
Really?
was terrifying.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, well, you're going that way, I guess now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's equal distance all the way around. That looks good.
Yeah,
Connection
good.
there. A little bit more of a belly here at 22. So this is probably just under the grass.
Yeah.
Probably on the other side of the casita foundation.
Yeah.
That's only 5 feet or so. A little bit of gunk on the sidewalls, but
Yeah,
that's
not bad.
much.
Pretty clean.
It is.
Yeah.
That's loose toilet paper. It hasn't even gotten solid yet. So.
Yeah.
Have you ever had a plumber do hydrojet maintenance?
I haven't.
It's roughly $400 for a really good company to do it. But they stick something like this into the sewer line, and then it's a pressure washer.
Okay.
And it blows the water backwards. So as they go in, it blows
It's going
everything towards the street.
Nice.
That'll get everything
Clean
off
all the walls.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get it smooth. And,
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's built up in the bottom of the pipe underneath the cleanout.
Yep.
That's all just eggshells and whatnot. Yeah.
Yeah. It's just not going to wash out.
No, eggshells
By
like
itself
flat.
anyway.
Right. Yeah. Nothing major.
Oh, that's great. Just need to get a cap on the cleanout.
Yes. Actually, I got one in my truck, I think. Awesome.